Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Just hooked into something, y'all. Just hooked into something. What is this? Nice bass. Nice one. Real nice. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, y'all look at this. Good gracious sakes. Let's get a limit on it. Only 21 inches. But check out how massive this guy is. Alright you guys, let's get this big girl back in the water. There go Paul man just pulled up. Let's get her back in the water, safe and sound. Alright girl, do your thing. Good shot. Paul man, I fool you. I read you say yes up, man. Clyde ain't doing nothing, he probably home chilling. Look at the massive on that sucker, man.
That's all, man.
Only 21 inches, man. First one, you guys, 19 and a half. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Sound good when you came and got it too.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, cold weather is here. Look at this joker. It's time to get it going. This is the time, this is the season. Let's get her back in the water. All right, let's get this girl back in the water. There she go, safe and sound, and be caught again next year. That too long. That go. That go, Patrick. Oh. Stay down, buddy. Stay your butt down. Stay your butt down. Oh, stay down. Oh, no, I ain't. Coming right to you.
Way to go, bro. Way to go.
Let's see what we got here, Patrick. Oh my goodness. That look like that 22 and a half.
19.
Huh?
18, 19.
No, that look like that 22 and a half.
19.
Think so? I don't know, brother. I don't know.
Go, bro. Way to go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sabotage. Did y'all see this net job? Did y'all see that?
Oh my goodness. Here we go. Here we go. Was it the net job?
Net job. That's net job right there. That's highlighted day. That net job right there.
Oh my goodness. What we got, Patrick?
Head went up.
Huh?
That head went up. That bass went in.
I put her down. God, Patrick, guess what? 19 and a half again.
18 and a half.
Yeah, 18 and a half.
Take a picture of it.
Over it.
Hey, Miss Williams.
It's Clyde's fault, you see.
Hey,
Clyde.
I ain't got one. I got a twin. Nice one. Let's get her back in the water. Oh man, I didn't even record that. Ain't that something? It's okay. Wait until I get this third one. He could be 24. This one could be 24. 24 inches. Oh, there it go. Oh, Okay. Look at that. Woo, look at that dip. Look at that dip.
I told him all to know him.
Oh, well, actually, you did. Well, actually, you did. Clyde, you got to get up on them, okay, and lose everything. Go up, get up under that fish.
Drop everything.
Drop everything. Get it. There you go, Patrick. Number 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, that's number 1.
You're number 1 out of 3.
Yeah, the other ones don't count. That's the one you get your hand on them. Man, I'm telling you, let's go back up to this corner here. That's what. Oh.
Got a bomb on clipper.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, you gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta do, brother. That's a nice one right there, though. So he hit the water, he grabbed it, didn't he? Awesome. Let's go, Patrick. Oh.